Hi, welcome to Best Review channel. Here are the top 10 jewelry scales of 2021. The list starts from Weigh Gram Scale Digital Pocket Scale 100 grams by 0.01 grams Digital Gram Scale, Food Scale, Jewelry. It's the top 100 pocket scale designed with a stainless steel platform and a protective flip cover. This pocket scale is a lightweight and portable for easy transfer. Its pocket scale featuring 4 different weight modes: G-ounce Oz DWT for easy weight translations, tare function for net determination, and a 60-second auto shut-off to preserve battery life. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Ninth one is a Mira upgraded digital kitchen scale, 500 grams 0.01 grams mini pocket jewelry scale, cooking food scale. Its superior quality materials, the smart digital pocket scale is crafted to be strong, accurate, fast, and user-friendly. Constructed with a high-quality stainless steel platform and ABS plastic frame, this digital kitchen scale is durable and easy to clean. Its stylish design and space-saver, minimalistic and elegant design, the food scale's mini and compact size, product dimensions, 4x5x 3/4. Platform dimensions, 4x4, takes up minimal space on your desk, makes it a pro pocket scale, makes it easy for carrying. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. You shouldn't miss this product's review. 2020 new digital pocket scale, 200 grams 0.01 grams mini scale, highly accurate multifunction with premium